It's time to rotate the tires, and the good folks at Discount Tire really did not want us recording them doing that. I encouraged Noelle to sneak out and do it anyway.
Time for car wash. Generally, when we wash Cupcake, I wash the low areas, and Steve reaches up high to wash the high areas.
I prefer to wash the low. So Noelle move the Cupcake forward, I don't know, 5 feet or so. The 5 feet will now give us enough room that we can wash the back end. Sometimes these little swingy guys
Trip us up.
They trip us up. They're really set up for like something that's like car height. But for us, trying to find somewhere that actually has like truck height, camper heights, going from town to town, it can be difficult to like know where we're going or what we're looking for. So usually when we find anything that looks like it might work, we just stop and wash. So wash the front half, move forward, then wash the back half.
So we have a clean truck, and Cupcake is clean. We have wet feet, wet hair, wet shirts. The lady who owns that was super nice. We chatted with her for a few minutes. She has a son who lives in Bend, Oregon. And she said she bought the property just for property, but now she really likes having a car wash. So now we are headed to the Dodge dealership to get an oil change and whatever else they do.
Tire rotation and car wash complete. Now it's time to change the oil and swap out the fuel filter. The car dealers have been here for, I don't know, almost 4 hours now. We were pretty excited. They said they can jack it up without us taking the camper off the back of it. It seems that they can, but they forgot to mention that it might take them a long to get us into the rotation for this big industrial jack. So we're just kind of hanging, working on some laptop stuff, cell phone stuff, and that guy on the TV doing his thing. So it's not always exciting and filled with drama here in the land of Cupcake. Holy crap. So how high can this lift go?
Well, as high as this one here, easily. But the only limiting factor is, of course, the ceiling and or crushing the product.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it just depends on the height of the roof. I'm going to be up like a car height.
Right.
But at least it'll go up.
That's pretty cool. Like I said, you guys are the first ones that we've anywhere where we were able to say like we're gonna do this like on a Now it's time to get some food for backpacking from Costco.
Here I am inside Cupcake, preparing to begin our hike in 5 days. We are going to finish the last 650 miles of the Pacific Crest Trail that Steve did not get to last time because of snow and family stuff. So this week some friends are going to meet us in Old Station, California. They are going to drive Cupcake south to Ridgecrest, California, and then Steve and I will hike to pick Cupcake back up. So I pulled out all of our hiking food. We bought this big box of Harmony House dehydrated beans, cabbage, onions, tomatoes, pretty much anything you could think of. Got some leftover food from last time. I don't know, lots of stuff. More stuff than I know what to do with right this second. It feels a little overwhelming. Much more relaxed about hiking this time. Way more relaxed about planning. Obviously, if it's 4 days before and I'm just beginning to look at what we have for food. We got a few boxes from the post office today. We will make up some food portions, meals out of this stuff and send some ahead to ourselves on the trail in places where there's not as much store to offer, I guess. I don't know, where there's small towns or whatever. We'll send some food ahead. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, just starting to plan.
So tomorrow we're turning over our camper to a friend of ours who's going to stick it in storage for us for a couple months. So today I turned off the fridge and I've got to get all the ice and all of this stuff out of here before we turn it over to our friend. Because our goal really is when someone else is being kind enough to drive it a little ways for us, I don't want them to have to do anything. So I'm just completely winterizing the camper to prepare for a couple month absence. Thank you, we really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Love you guys. God go with you.
Thank you.
I hope you guys have a great time.
Off they go. Hey, I've got an idea. Let's take their camper and go to Mexico for a couple of weeks. They'll never know.
They'll never know.
Okay.